Hey friends, Altria, ticker MO, my number two stock, it tanked today over 7% on their earnings report. The earnings were not received well. The sales were lackluster, but the earnings per share were really good. I have a few insights I want to share with all of you in the video today. First and foremost, it's important to remember that stocks can be very volatile, especially in short amounts of time. And so I'm always prepared for stock market volatility. And I actually invest for dividends, for passive income. That's my primary goal because I don't like looking at stock market volatility day to day. And I don't like relying on share prices to pay bills. I like relying on dividends to pay bills. So that's one big takeaway. Another big takeaway is when I look at my shares, I bought a lot of shares. A lot of you know this in late 2023 at the $40 range. Well, even after tanking today, it's still at 57. I'm still up 42% on those shares purchased in late 2023. And moreover, I've been in this stock since $15.99. So I think it's important to zoom out and it's important to realize with a stock like Altria to buy with a margin of safety. And as a value investor, I always like to try to buy stocks on sale because that margin of safety comes in really handy on days like today. Another lesson from this is I like to de-risk my stocks that are more risky like Altria by not reinvesting dividends. My simple yield on cost on the shares purchased in late 2023 are about 10%. Well, it's been almost 2 years. At the end of this year, I will have received about 20% of my capital invested back in the form of dividends alone. I'm not reinvesting, and so I'm de-risking my position by taking the capital off the table, reallocating elsewhere. And within 10 years, I'm hoping to have received all of that capital back, redeployed elsewhere, fully de-risking the position. So just a few thoughts today on Altria and how I approach a stock like this that can contain a little more risk from time to time, and how I look at market volatility overall as a value investor, as a dividend investor. In terms of a friendly disclaimer, today's video, it's not investment advice. I'm just sharing my personal journey for fun and entertainment. In terms of a full disclosure, I am long Altria, ticker MO. I'll see you in the next video.